Debian Linux was created in 1993 by Ian Murdoch as a free way for the community to build and maintain the operating system. Ian didn't like how poorly maintained SLS was, so he decided to create his own. Little did he know of how big Debian would become. So let's get started with the video. Here are the 5 things that I'm going to be looking for when I'm ranking this distro. 1, is it user-friendly? 2, is it secure? 3, does it have a strong community? 4, is the performance good? And 5, is it customizable? So these are the 5 things that I'm going to be looking for when I'm ranking this distro. Let's get started with the install. So I'm going to now make a new virtual machine. Now we're going to power it on. So I'm going to speed this up so you guys can see how it's installed. All right, so as you guys can see, we have Debian Linux installed, and the thing I like about Debian Linux, especially Genome, is that everything works when you download it. So they have a disk manager, they have a settings app, they have everything, right? If you're a new user and you're going to use Debian for the first time, I highly suggest just going with this, and then you can experiment with other desktop environments. But for now, let's put on another desktop environment. See, another thing I like about Debian Linux, especially GDM3, that you can add this for any operating system or whatever. Here, let me move my camera. So as you can see on the settings app, you could change your different window managers. So say I wanted to run awesome, and now I do change me. Now you can see it's now awesome. Now if I run HTOP, you see I have significantly less RAM usage. As you can see, for something like Genome, you use about 2 gigabytes, but that's nothing compared to Windows. Now you see Windows uses like 4 gigabytes, which is kind of insane, right? So yeah, you can kind of change whatever you want. I'm not going to change another one because I don't think that it's necessary. This shows you that it's perfect. And we are going to move on to the next, I guess, topic. Debian Linux has been around since 1993. And their community is humongous. There's so many contributors, and there's so many people creating new packages and updating security for the operating system every single day. It has more than 65,000 packages. Isn't that insane? More than 65,000 packages. So as you guys can see, Debian is an amazing operating system. The security is amazing. The package updates are awesome. The community is awesome. The customization is awesome, and the user friendliness. Like straight out of the box, it is a great operating system. Some things that I haven't mentioned are the server capabilities. Debian is an amazing operating system for different servers if you are to run a server on it. And it actually, if you're running the base system, aside from these desktop environments, it's actually significantly less. So you could probably get down to 200 megabytes of memory to run that operating system, which is actually insane. The distro is very stable, and I highly recommend this to new users that want to try out Linux. Now let's go to the ranking. It is now time to rank Debian Linux. Now I'm going to put it at S tier for the amazing security features, the updated packages, the strong community, the user friendliness, and the performance. Everything in this distro is perfect. Comment what Linux distro you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.